phone to write.
Hey, is it Carol's post office?
Yeah.
Excuse me. No, there's nothing there, sorry.
That's alright.
Sorry.
Alright.
Hello.
We had floods in Australia that hit Townsville earlier on in the year. I thought I wasn't going to get my mail. I contacted the place where my mail was coming from several times. I had to keep giving them a different address because I have a weird address because it's not a permanent address. I don't have a mailbox, so I have to get stuff sent to the post office. That address wasn't suitable for their computer, so I gave them my actual where I'm living, and then that address didn't work, so we had to keep working on it. Look at me, I haven't even done my hair, but I don't care because I'm so excited. I have to share this with you right away. Look at my smile. It got to the post office today. Look what I got. Check this out. It came. I'm so excited. On the package now. What's in here? Can you see?
Yeah.
What is this? Hey, look how nice this is wrapped. I'm so impressed. Do it again. Whee! So what else we got here? This is the book. Oh wow, this is so heavy.
Let me.
You suddenly lose everything. 30days.com. What would you do from day 1 to day 30 to save yourself? If crap hits the fan, what would you do? Wow, look, this has chapters from all these people that have made the 2 Comma Club. That means they make over $1 million with one funnel, with one sales funnel that promotes their product, whether that be offline or online. All these people have written a chapter to talk about what they would do if they were suddenly left with no money, no list, no nothing, if they were a nobody. What would they do from day 1 to get themselves back to where they are now, making over $1 million with one funnel? Does that make sense? Yeah, I have a lot of reading to do, Stella just said. Wow. Like, just put your hand like, this is my, oh, hang on, that's my daughter's hand. Like, can you hold that? Just show. Then just put it long like that too. Yeah. Look how thick that book is. That's the remote. Like, wow. And that's really heavy. Do you really see how heavy that is, honey? Try and just lift it. Like, that's pretty heavy, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a lot of reading. That's great. Good quality book. And waiting. I'm impressed just how it was wrapped. Okay, how would you like to earn $100 every time someone joins the One Funnel Away challenge with you? So if people join under the link, my link, I get $100 per person. And the thing is, if that person wants to refer other people to join this One Funnel Away challenge, they also get $100. So it costs people absolutely nothing to join this if they just sign up one person. Imagine if you helped 5 people join the challenge, or 10 or 20. That's how this thing works. And you're going to learn a lot along the way, how to get your funnel up and running. If you want to see the homework I did whilst doing this challenge, I have YouTube videos that show you inside the homework that myself and my daughter did, because I did this with Starla, and she's getting her own funnel up and running for her business as well. And this is 2 Comma Club coaching. And you get all these bonuses for free. You can get a box like this yourself if you want to sign up. After you join ClickFunnels, our goals with you are simple. First, to get you into the 2 Club as fast as possible. I believe that. They're doing all they can to get people into the 2 Club and also winning their dream cars. They'll do all they can to get you on your way to do that. Because you know why? If you're successful, then that means they're successful. And same with me. That's my motto as well. If I'm successful, if you're successful, that means I'm successful because I'm helping other people get successful. If you're not successful, that means I'm not doing my job properly. I need to help you to be successful. What that tells you is that I'm going to do all I can to help you become a success. If you want to work with me, join me. Second, get you into the 2 Club X so you can serve more people, okay? So that's the next level up, is to get this thing here. So that's the 2 Club award that you get for making over $1 million with your funnel. Okay? The first things first, you've got to get your funnel up and running. And how do you do that? You join this 1 Funnel Away challenge that gets you this book. Okay? It gets you this novelty money, which is hilarious and cute. And this tells you how to refer other people. Look at this. This is hilarious. This is Russell Brunson money.